back, ladies and gentlemen. Over the last few years, we've seen our members of the lobby and rent-a-cause activists failed miserably after launching a motivated campaign against the judiciary. Tonight, the Supreme Court has drawn the line. Very important development today. Initiated contempt proceedings against leading lobby member Prashant Bhushan for his non-stop diatribe. Here is what we know today, and then we debate.
85 days back, the highest court of India pulled up lobby member and advocate Prashant Bhushan for casting aspersions on the judiciary. During a hearing in the migrants case, judges drew the line and told him that each time there's an order that doesn't go in his favor, he insults the institution. He casts aspersions on judges and has no respect for constitutional bodies. One judge also asked, if you don't have faith in the institution, why should we hear you at all? One would have thought that a stinging rebuke would have served as a lesson. Supreme Court has now decided to initiate contempt proceedings against both Prashant Bhushan and Twitter India.
Prashant Bhushan has been in trouble this year multiple times before the Supreme Court, where he has been pulled up for putting out certain tweets against the senior members of the higher judiciary. The judges of the Supreme Court, he's been putting out tweets against them, criticizing them, and he has been pulled up by the Supreme Court. There was a PIL that was also filed asking for contempt proceedings to be initiated against Prashant Bhushan, but at that time the Supreme Court had let it go with a simple apology from his side.
In the last few days, on more than one occasion, he has directly attacked the judiciary, be it in the Vikas Dubey encounter, saying that if judiciary wants to inspire respect in the rule of law, it must call out this as an extrajudicial killing. While talking about the urban Naxals case, he accuses the courts of participating in the perversion of justice. And even using this picture of the Chief Justice of India to target him just because he's on a Harley Davidson. The contempt proceedings against Bhushan and the platform that allowed him to vilify judges is a reminder of the setbacks the lobby faced over the years. Be it in the Loya case, the Rafale review petition, the Ayodhya verdict, or when judges were at war. They should listen to this message from legal eagle Harish Salve.
Everybody who has a point of view thinks the Supreme Court is a national dartboard on which everybody who has a point of view has the right to throw a dart. And this must stop.
Let's debate.
Hi everyone, I am Aishwarya Kapoor. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.